What if one decision at the age of 22 could determine whether you retire as a millionaire or spend your entire life worrying about money? Imagine two friends, same age, same salary, same city. One simple choice separated their futures forever. One started investing a small amount every month. The other kept saying, "I'll start next year." 20 years later, one has financial freedom. The other is still living paycheck to paycheck. So what really happened? Was it luck? Was it a higher salary? Or was it something much simpler? Today, we're going to follow both lives year by year and discover how one small financial habit quietly changed everything. By the end of this video, you may never look at your money the same way again. Let's begin. Meet Alex and Ethan. Both are 22 years old. They graduate from college in the same year. They live in the same city. They get similar jobs, and they both earn their very first full-time paycheck. On the surface, their lives look almost identical. They dream about success. They want financial freedom. They hope to own a beautiful home one day, travel the world, and never worry about money again. But from the very first paycheck, their decisions begin to move in different directions. Alex tells himself, "My future starts today." Before buying anything else, he automatically invests a small part of his salary every month. Not because he's rich, not because he knows everything about investing, but because he understands one simple truth: time is more valuable than money. Ethan thinks differently. He tells himself, "I'm still young. I'll start investing later." He spends a little more, buys nicer things, enjoys every paycheck, and believes there will always be enough time to think about the future. Neither of them realizes that this ordinary moment, their very first paycheck, will quietly become the most important financial decision of their lives. Now let's see what happens during the next 5 years. Speak like a calm, confident American finance narrator. Use a warm, trustworthy, and professional tone. Maintain a steady pace with natural pauses. Emphasize important financial and psychological insights without sounding overly dramatic. Sound intelligent, motivational, and documentary-like, similar to a premium YouTube educational channel. 5 years pass faster than either of them expected. Alex is now 27. Ethan is 27 too. Their salaries have increased. They've both earned promotions. From the outside, they still look successful. But beneath the surface, their financial lives are becoming very different. Every month, Alex continues investing before spending. He doesn't try to predict the stock market. He doesn't chase the latest trends. He simply stays consistent. Some months, the market goes down. Some months, it goes up. But he keeps investing anyway, because he knows that consistency beats perfection. Meanwhile, Ethan's income has also grown, but so have his expenses. A newer car, a bigger apartment, more subscriptions, more vacations, a higher lifestyle. Every raise disappears almost as quickly as it arrives. He tells himself, "I deserve this," and in many ways, he does. The problem isn't enjoying life. The problem is spending everything today while forgetting tomorrow. One evening, Alex opens his investment account. For the first time, he notices something incredible. His money has started earning money. The returns are no longer coming only from his own deposits. His earlier investments are now beginning to grow on their own. This is the quiet power of compound growth. It starts slowly, almost invisibly. Then, year after year, it begins to accelerate. Ethan opens his banking app that same evening. His balance looks familiar. His paycheck came in. Most of it has already gone out. Nothing feels different. He wonders why earning more never seems to make life easier. The truth is, both friends worked hard. Both earned good incomes. But only one built a system that allowed his money to work alongside him. Success wasn't created by one brilliant decision. It was built through hundreds of ordinary decisions repeated every single month. And the biggest difference is still waiting to appear, because the next 10 years will change their lives forever. 10 more years quietly pass. Alex and Ethan are now 37 years old. Life has become more complicated. They both have greater responsibilities. Bills are higher. Families are growing. Unexpected expenses appear more often. But this is where their earlier decisions begin to reveal their true impact. Alex no longer worries every time an emergency happens. When his car needs repairs, he pays without panic. When unexpected medical bills arrive, he stays calm. His investments have grown steadily over the years. Some days the market fell, some days it reached new highs. But because he never stopped investing, time continued working in his favor. Compound growth is no longer invisible. It's becoming powerful. Meanwhile, Ethan is earning more money than ever before. In fact, his salary is almost double what it was at 22. Yet he feels more financially stressed. His lifestyle expanded with every promotion. His monthly payments grew. His savings never had the chance to grow. He isn't poor, but he isn't financially free either. One afternoon, both friends meet for coffee. They laugh about old memories. Then Ethan asks a simple question. "How are you always so relaxed about money?" Alex smiles. He doesn't talk about stock tips. He doesn't mention secret investments. He simply says, "I gave my future a head start while everyone else was waiting for the perfect time." At that moment, Ethan realizes something painful. The biggest cost wasn't losing money, it was losing time, because every year he delayed was one less year for his investments to grow. That realization changes everything. It's never too late to start, but it's impossible to recover the years that have already passed. And the final chapter of their journey proves why starting early can completely transform an ordinary life. 20 years have passed since Alex and Ethan received their very first paycheck. They are both 42 years old. They still live in the same country. They both worked hard. They both faced economic uncertainty. Inflation came and went. Markets rose and fell. Life was never perfect for either of them, but their financial lives now tell two completely different stories. Alex opens his investment account one quiet evening. The number on the screen is something he once thought was impossible. Years of consistent investing have grown into a life-changing amount of wealth. More importantly, his investments now generate income of their own. His money works even while he sleeps. He no longer makes decisions based on fear. He makes them based on freedom. He can spend more time with his family, travel without financial stress, help his parents when they need support, and plan for the future with confidence instead of anxiety. Across town, Ethan sits at his kitchen table looking over another stack of monthly bills. He isn't a failure. He worked just as hard as Alex, but he spent too many years believing there would always be time to start later. Now he finally understands the lesson that changed Alex's life. Wealth isn't built in a single year. It's built through small, consistent decisions repeated for decades. That night, Ethan opens an investment account for the very first time. He smiles and quietly says, "The best time to start was years ago. The second best time is today." Because no matter how old you are, your future is still being shaped by the decisions you make right now. If this story inspired you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who's still waiting for the perfect time to invest. Your future self will thank you for starting today. Before this story ends, ask yourself one simple question. If you could go back to your 22-year-old self, what advice would you give? Would you tell yourself to buy more things? Or would you tell yourself to buy more time? Because that's what investing really does. It buys freedom. Freedom to choose where you work. Freedom to spend more time with the people you love. Freedom to face unexpected challenges without fear. Alex and Ethan didn't have different opportunities. They didn't come from different worlds. The only difference was one decision repeated every single month. Small choices rarely change your life overnight, but over 20 years, they can completely transform your future. Remember this, you don't need to be rich to start investing. You need to start investing to give yourself a better chance of becoming rich. No one can predict the market perfectly. No one knows what tomorrow will bring. But one thing has remained true throughout history. Patient investors have always given themselves more opportunities than those who never begin. Whether you're 22, 32, or even 52, your future is still being written. The decision you make today could become the reason your future self smiles years from now. So don't wait for the perfect salary. Don't wait for the perfect market. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Start with what you have. Stay consistent. Trust the process. And let time become your greatest financial partner. If this story gave you a new perspective on money, subscribe for more finance stories that can help you build a smarter and wealthier future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.